Why a little peace and quiet is good for your health. Benefit number 1, it can help relieve stress. Benefit number 2, it restores mental wellness. Benefit number 3, it can literally heal and grow your brain. 10 ways to get back your peace and quiet from the noisy world. 1. Resist looking at your phone for an hour. 2. Turn off commercials. 3. Have tea time. 4. Don't overbook yourself. 5. Take 100 deep breaths. 6. Designate one space in your home for quiet, example a bathroom, to refresh yourself. 7. Listen to music or read a book. 8. Get back into nature. 9. Do your body good, example exercise or meditation. 10. Do nothing, example sleep or rest. If you're not getting enough, or any, peace and quiet in your life, it's time to make it a priority. The benefits that come with some quiet time are hard to beat. You'll function better, feel better, and live a happier and healthier life for years to come.